from ICTV, and now I'm gonna make an interview. Before we start from the question, can I ask your name and your age?
My name is John Caranasis. I'm 26 years old.
And can you say your company name?
Central Lumber Corporation.
And can you say your address?
Uh, Central Lumber Magallanes Carbon.
How many years have you been working on that company or business?
7 years.
2 years. And now let's proceed for the first question, which is what special skills and characteristics do you have that are related to your business or job?
My special skill as related sa akong trabaho as machine operator is pag-align sa item. Labi na kung mga kauban nga, ikaw ba mo align? So, need sila mo arin ako para ako'y makatapong sa ilang pag-alignment.
Yeah. Next question is, how did you solve business-related problems during the early years of your business operation?
Sa panahon nga na problema sa makina, manawag po sila og maintenance. Labi na og maguba ang makina. Mango naka-realize ko nga kanang ako observeran kung unsay buhaton sa maintenance para ining sunod dili na sila manawag maintenance kay naara ko moayo.
Next is, did you follow the tips from successful businessman or practitioner before you engage in your business?
Yes. Amo na akong gi-applyan sa akong kaugalingon para pon ako na po ang successful.
And next is, what best business practices can you share with aspiring entrepreneurs?
Salig lang jud sa imong kaugalingon og namay og ayaw give up if namang mga challenges og struggles ay lang jud og kawitangan og laom.
Lastly is, what do you think are the salient characteristic attributes, lifestyle, skills, and traits that made you successful in your business or job?
Okay, my ability and knowledge.